everyone! Today I want to talk about AGS-TECH Inc., your ultimate one-stop solution for all manufacturing needs. Whether you're looking to bring a new product to market or streamline your production processes, AGS-TECH has got you covered from initial concept to final product delivery. Let's dive into the incredible range of manufacturing techniques AGS-TECH employs to serve its customers. First up, custom molding. This includes plastic, rubber, ceramic, and even glass. If you need powder metallurgy, they've got that too. Next, we have machining, which covers everything from CNC machining to mold and die making. But that's just scratching the surface. AGS-TECH also specializes in metal casting, forging, and sheet metal fabrication. They can handle metal stamping and extrusion processes, ensuring that every part you need is made with precision. When it comes to electronic and optical assembly, AGS-TECH excels. They provide PCB and PCBA services, cable harnesses, and connectors. And for those intricate mechanical assemblies, they've got the expertise to put everything together seamlessly. Surface finishing is another area where AGS-TECH shines. From coatings to grinding, they ensure that every product not only functions perfectly, but also looks impeccable. And when it's time to ship, AGS-TECH handles packaging and international shipping, consolidating your parts and components to save you on shipping costs. One of the biggest advantages of working with AGS-TECH is that they handle all aspects of manufacturing. No more juggling multiple vendors. This means less logistical complexity and more time for you to focus on what you do best, innovating. Beyond manufacturing, AGS-TECH offers additional services like engineering, reverse engineering, R&D, product development, and prototyping. They even provide quality control equipment to ensure your products meet the highest standards. And yes, they operate globally, so no matter where you are, AGS-TECH is there to support you. So if you're looking for a reliable partner who can handle all your manufacturing needs, look no further than AGS-TECH Inc. Visit www.agstech.net for more details. That's www.agstech.net. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.